Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Now coming to the next case. I'm telling you the facts of the case and let's see if you can answer. The facts of the case is, students, first thing, there is a boy who has lost. ठीक है, जो कि गुम हो गया है. Now, the father of the boy came up with an advertisement again. Came up with an advertisement. Okay. Now, as per to that advertisement, you must have seen these kind of advertisements, lost and found. Okay. So on that advertisement, there was a picture of the boy, the age of the boy, and some details about the boy. And whosoever will found that boy, and उसको अपने घर पे लेके आएगा, that person will be rewarded with 500 rupees. Now, in that case, one person, let's assume Mr. A. Mr. A found that boy. And if Mr. A found that boy, तो वो उसको लेकर उनके घर पे चले जाता है. But he did not receive any kind of rewards. और अब now that person, Mr. A, who found that boy, he was going towards his house. And then he get to know about this with the help of someone else, that there was a reward of 500 rupees. And he went back to the father. I should get 500 rupees. But that person says no. Now you need to decide whether there is a contract between Mr. A and the father or not. Yes, answer.